The easiest way is the rifle. It can happen from long range, and it'll be over in 2 seconds. Nobody knows nothing. But the only problem with that is it's in public. Or we can do it a little more intimate.
It's 7 a.m. and I can see that you're chilling. You got locked in my crosshairs from across the building. You got no clue, son, better hug on your children. It's gonna be an ugly sight when the blood is spilling. It'll be over quick. 1 shot to your nugget, then I'm gone without a trace. No witness or nothing, cause I'm an old pro. I don't need no clues behind. If you need someone gone, I'm easy to find. Cause the money talks, put it on the table and talk slow. Give me a description, gotta picture thoughts, so I don't care about your reasons, give me the bread. That's your problem, I just put the hole in the head.
I'm a calculated killer that draws up plans. I don't need a gun or a knife, I kill a man with my hands. Got a plot to get past all the cameras and scanners, all the dogs and bodyguards with the big chrome hammers. I came to the gate dressed as a technician, like I'm here to work on the air conditioning. They let me in cause I was running my mouth, and I pulled out the blueprints to every room in the house.